Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. In 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Bang! Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Yeah. In the multiverse. Bang! Greatest show of the daggone multiverse. We have a great show for you today. All right.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to serve up that chicken today. Oh, yeah. We got some yap and some chicken talk. I know. The market's been Shomari. Settle down, miscreant. We'll talk about that when we get to the price. So first, let me tell you what we got on deck. Let's see what Chicken Shomari is serving up. A $1.5 billion crypto fund launched on Algorand. Bang, Algorand hodlers. Oh, and these miscreants over here in my chat, they're always talking about this. IoTeX and Cartesi. They're going to make more secure Internet of Things ecosystem. Bang! Or economy. And then, all right, and so then this is probably where I'll yap a little bit more. Facebook. Well, now that they've changed their names to Meta, well, now they're going to allow crypto ads again. And that is great for us, great for us, great for us. We are going to talk about the relationship between the metaverse and crypto.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to have a little yap over there. All right, and then we're going to do shout-outs and daily summaries per usual. So let us proceed how we proceed with a little bit of look. Bang! And then we go on here and we do a little bit look. Bang! Now, I know, this is ugly. I know. Daggone, Shomari, daggone. And we do a little bit of refresh.
Oh, shit.
$48,559 in the Bitcoin. Now, let's just have a little chat here. I think today deserves a chat. You? Look, let me tell you something, miscreants. Let me tell you something. If you're new to this channel, I want you to understand something. All right, hold on. Let's not go to the new part of thing. Look, I want you to understand something. Today is a sale. Everything you want is on sale. Right? Everything you want's on sale. Look, the whole world's markets went down last week. Everybody. I'm going to show you something. Look, I'll show you my Forex trades. Because look, we went risk off last week. So not Friday yesterday, but the Friday last week. We weren't risk off, right? Because of the new Omicron, or is it called Omicron? Whatever the fuck it's called. The new variant of the Corona thing, right? Yeah, well, all right. Let's do this in an orderly manner. Hold on. Let me show you guys something. All right, so first of all, look at this, okay? Can you guys see this? All right. So look, the whole markets went down. Here it is. So this is the trades that I remember I was doing last week, right? Here's the trend, the 30, 50, 100 SMA. See how price bounces off the trend, bounces. That got really wild there, and then came back and bounced again. And so you can see, right, this is last Friday. Oh, sorry, yesterday, because today's Saturday. Yeah, well, there it is. All the markets went down. All of them around the world. Look at that. Bang! Bang, right? It's not just crypto that went down. All markets fucking went down. Here's the trend scanner. Let me clean this up a little bit here. Yeah, look at all that blood red in there. New Zealand, Australian dollar, bang, down. New Zealand dollar, bang, down. Actually, the Australian, the New Zealand dollar took the most beat down. There's Australian dollar again, bang. Australian dollar again, bang. Australian dollar again, bang. I mean, just lickage. Pure lickage. So I want you to understand, like, oh my gosh, Shomari, I want you to get it like that. Lee, what am I doing even, daggone? Yes, I knew I felt uncomfortable. All right, guys, look. The cryptocurrency market is now part of the real world. It's part of the real markets now. Right? And so when guys go risk off, yeah, well, it affects us here too. Right? And so what we have right now is a risk off scenario that's going down. And, so it'll last a few weeks, maybe a month or so, and then we'll be right back to normal. I mean, so don't worry about it. Like, don't worry. What you should look at this as a nice big dip. And, well, you know what you do with dips? You BTD them. You buy the dip, idiot. Right? You're going to be just fine. This is a great opportunity for you to buy everything that you've been buying, but now probably cheaper than you've been buying it lately. Right? Yeah, it's called a sale. I mean, what are you crying about? And I want to remind you about something. We're waiting for a tsunami of money to come. There is a tsunami. And if you're new, I guess I should explain to you. There's a tsunami of money coming to this space. But when, buddy? When, man? What the fuck? You said there's a tsunami. When? Well, when we have regulatory clarity. Why isn't the money here now? Well, because the big boys are not allowed to put their clients' money into this space yet. It's not regulated. But we don't want regulation. Fuck the SEC. Fuck all that. Well, you don't because you're an idiot. But believe me, we do because we want that money to get here. Okay? You're living in fantasy land. In reality, that money ain't getting here unless it's regulated. They're not allowed to do that. They're not allowed to buy VeChain, IOTA, and shit like that, right? Yet. So that's what we're waiting for. And so anything that happens before regulatory clarity arrives. Oh, hold on. Let me get back. Hold on. Am I still on my... All right, hold on. Let's get back to the crypto thing. 1 second. Sorry about that. Hold on. Are we here yet? Wait. All right. All right. Okay, we're back. Okay, so... Yeah, so we're waiting for regulatory clarity to come, and then all that money is going to come. So anything that happens between... Well, before that, who cares? Who cares? You shouldn't care. You should not be worried. As long as you are invested in companies, because these are just companies, if you've invested by buying the tokens of these companies that actually generate revenue, making money, let me give you some examples. Polygon. Yeah. That's some chicken. Well, in life, let me tell you something first. In life, there's two things. Sometimes you get the chicken, sometimes you get the feathers. Well, obviously, you want the chicken, right? And that means revenue-generating companies. Companies in this space that are making money, that are actually being used in the real world, right? So let me explain. Let me show you a little bit. Let me show you a little bit of something. So a company like Polygon, that's some chicken. Making money. People are migrating there. Cheap, secure, bang. Right? That's chicken. Oh, I'll tell you what. Some of the biggest chicken is SingularityNet. They have a walking, talking, thinking robot. Yeah, that's the future. That's the future. That's how things are going to be. Right? You're going to send your robot to go shopping for you. You're not going to go anymore. What, Shomari? Yes, it thinks and talks like that. It thinks. It reasons. You think I'm fucking joking? Go look up SingularityNet Sophia. Sophia. You'll see. So that's some chicken. Good investment, in my opinion. I mean, I'm not telling you to go buy it, but in my opinion. What kind of chicken we got out here? Look. Wow. You know my favorite, because I love to sing it. Chain link to the rescue. Look, it's chain link to the rescue. You know how Chainlink works. Oh, my son, you've got a blockchain, no data on it, and it's such a pain. You're looking down, you're looking sad and blue. Don't worry, son, call Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. Yes, it's Chainlink to the rescue. That's chicken. That's what you call chicken right there. Yeah, that is some bang chicken right there. That's spicy like a motherfucker. Without Chainlink, there would be no DeFi. Actually, I'm sure they'd get their price feed somewhere else or something, but it wouldn't be as reliable, secure, and up to date as that. Look! Chainlink to the rescue. All right, let's look at another piece of chicken. Just one last one. Oh, IOTA. All right, let's talk about that. First of all, their thing isn't a blockchain; it's a tangle, far superior to the blockchain. Infinite scalability, instant transactions, already quantum proof for the quantum computers that are coming that are going to be able to hack these blockchains. Yeah, no problem with IOTA. And on and on. That's the technological side. Now let's look at the onboardings. The European Union is using IOTA, bang, to do the mining operations, the supply chain mining operations for the whole of the European Union. So the coal, the gold mines, the coal mines, the lead mines, I don't know, copper mines, all the mining, the supply chain stuff. Yeah, that's going to be on the tangle soon. They have 7 smart cities that they're building around IOTA. Well, sorry. They have 2 that they've done, and then they've expanded now 5 more. So there's going to be 7 altogether. It's testing right now. They're still just getting it all ready and testing, but Europe is balls deep. Not to mention the corporate, Volkswagen, Audi, some other stuff. So that's chicken. So that's what I want you to remember, that these days like today, okay? Well, or times like this. Let's put it that way. It's not a day. It's times like this when we are what's called risk off. Okay, the markets have gone risk off. And so that's why you see such a dramatic movement. And it's these times that you need to take to accumulate. Only we got our Basel, so everyone's big cars and Ferraris and everything here. But what you need to do, let's get back to fucking rock. You need to, so we can buy our own Ferraris. You need to accumulate. You buy that chicken. Not just those 4 I said, but whatever. As long as it's making money, you buy it and put it in your portfolio. New money. Don't go selling something that's to go buy another crypto. Take your paycheck, take a little out of it, and buy some chicken and put it in your warehouse. Build a cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! Build a cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang! And you fill it with working product every single paycheck. Every single paycheck. You're a worker bee. You get 26 paychecks a year. And if you're that broke, you also get another check. The tax one, right? You get money back. Most of us have to pay, but some of you get actual money back. So you get 27 periods of money inflow into your life, right? Yeah, well, every one, you take a little bit and you buy working product. Buy! And you fill your cryptocurrency warehouse. Because there's a tsunami coming. I know what you're saying. But Shomari, fucking shit, man, I just lost... I just lost 20% in fucking 3 days. All right. First of all, you didn't lose anything, fuckstick. So settle down. Settle down. I'm pulling a Racheta on you. I got to slap him. Settle down. You haven't lost anything. You are down 20%. But you have not lost anything yet. I always try to tell people, markets is like sports, okay? Yeah, well, you play a basketball game. Yeah, well, you're down 20 points at halftime. Yeah, well, you haven't lost yet. You're just down, fuckstick. Play a little D, little ball movement. Let's go. Let's get some threes in there, whatever. In the markets, you're just down. You haven't lost. The only way that you lose is if, Shomari, I put in $50,000. It went down $20,000. So I just took out the 30. Well, now you just lost. Well, you just did lose that 20,000. If you had huddled, if you had left it there and waited till the big boys go risk on again, well, the money would be back and we'd just be rolling, you fucking moron. So settle down. You haven't lost anything yet. You're just down. Okay? Until you take the money out. I want you to understand this, especially if you're new to this channel. Because my old people, you guys know, but if you're new, I want you to understand that you're new to markets or something. You haven't lost anything until you take your money out. When you cash out, all right, well, you cash out at whatever you cashed out at. But as long as your money is in the game, well, you haven't lost, have you? You're just down. And so hodl strong and accumulate. Okay, buy the dips. You ever heard that? BTDI, buy the dip, idiot. You know, well, here's an example of a dip. Buy it. Accumulate. Revenue generating product. And when this risk on is over, so let's talk, let's just continue on here. When this risk on ends, and we get back up to 60 in the Bitcoin and everything else back up there again. Well, it's going to be like nothing happened, except what had happened. You got to buy all this cheap stuff. Okay, this is not happening to you. This is happening for you. Right? This is a blessing. You better thank Corona. Thank some diseased motherfucker who let this new variant, the new strain out, so that these boys won't risk off for a little while. Because I'm going to tell you, it's only going to be a little while. It turns out this Corona thing, this new strain, Omicron, whatever, it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. What it is, it's very infectious. So you can get it, right? But the actual symptoms are actually less than the Delta strain that we already have. Yeah, do you know that? So it's actually not a killer. But it's very infectious. It's very infectious. Even if you have double vaccine, you can still get this thing. But nobody who has it has been sent to a hospital yet. In England, they have a bunch. No one's in the hospital. Here in America, I think there's 12 people. No one had to go to the hospital yet. So, you know, take it for what it is. And so I want you to understand that the markets are just, markets are irrational. The markets are people. It's not just some computer you're trading against or buying from. You're buying and trading from other human beings. And so the traders, oh my gosh, a new strain and all this, they get a little freaked out. They get a little freaked out, right? Get a little freaked out. Are we going to have to go into lockdown again? Is this going to fuck up our supply chains even more? They just get freaked out, right? So they put their money into what's called safe haven assets. In other words, bonds, American, Japanese, and Swiss bonds, and precious metals, gold, silver, and platinum. And so that's where the money is. It's just over there in the safe haven. And everyone's waiting to see, is this thing bad? Now, you also have to understand that going on in China right now, that big real estate company, it looks like they might default on their debt. So it's not just the new Omicron. If I'm saying the name, look, don't worry about it. I just don't remember what the fuck it's called. I think it's called Omicron, right? Anyway, so maybe I'm saying a whole wrong name. But whatever, you guys know what I'm talking about, the new strain of the virus. So it's not just the virus, but now on the fundamentals of finance, the Chinese market, it's looking a little fucking scary. It looks like a bunch of motherfuckers might default over there. Guys. And that's the one. What's the name of that thing? Their big real estate thing. Starts with an A, I think. Anyways, they have a huge, mega real estate company over there, and it's going to default on its debt, I think, this week is what they're saying. And so that's also hitting the market. It's not just the fucking Omicron and shit. And then the last thing that's hitting our market is, America's got to raise its debt ceiling by December 15th. If America does not raise the debt ceiling by December 15th, well, we're going to be in a world you don't want to see. I don't want to see. None of us want to see. And people are scared about it because the Republicans look like they want to play politics with this thing. They think it's some sort of joke. Again, just like a few months ago when they played games with it, right? They figured it out, though. I mean, I'm not really that nervous about it, but it's something to be nervous about. So you see, it's a trifecta. It's Omicron, Chinese debt, and America debt ceiling crap that's coming in that made the markets. I showed you my Forex charts. Yeah, look at them. Bang, bang, bang. And you have to understand that the Bitcoin, the crypto market now, it's part of the real markets. Like, you're not just in some fucking funland anymore, kids. This ain't Kansas anymore, Toto. You're in the real markets now. You're here with us, the killers. You're in the goodie room. The sharks are a-circling. You got it? And now your investments are going to behave just like all of our investments in the traditional markets behave. Risk off, back. Okay, so, but which is a normal thing. So I want you to understand that that's a normal thing. Going risk off, this is the result of risk off behavior. Yeah, markets tank. Like I told you, all the money flows into bonds and precious metals. But after the hysteria of the market settles down, well, then the money flows back into the risky assets. It goes risk on. You could look at risk on, risk off as like this. Like a light switch in a house, in a room, in a house. Right? Risk on, yeah, the lights are on. Oh, yeah, it's a big party time. It's a good time. Right? But then they go risk off, the lights go down, and yeesh, spooky now. Spooky. Can't see anything. And just think of that. That's how hedge funds work with their money. Well, not just hedge funds, but also just all types of masters like that. Big guys like that. Risk on, risk off. When it's risk on, the lights are on. They're buying stocks. They're buying derivatives. Oh, they're having a just good old fucking time. Oh, yeah, money's flowing, just piling in, having a good old time. When turmoil happens, they go, risk off. Turn off the lights. Party's over. Get the fuck out. Party's over. Right? You ever been like the last person in a nightclub? All right, get the fuck out now. Bar's closed. Get out of here. Right? And so that's how risk off happens. Right? And it's dramatic. Oh, yeah, it's dramatic. Oh, yeah, Dow Jones down 1,000, down 2,000. Remember risk off last year when Corona first hit? Holy fuck, we were down 1,000 to $3,000 on the 3,000 points on the Dow in a day. No, sorry, it's scary sounding, but the smart investor now, the wise investor. I've always told you guys this on this channel, and you know it very well. And you fucking know I've told you this many times. And I want you to pay real close attention if you're new to this channel to what I'm about to tell you. Never let any crisis go to waste. When you're a market person deploying your capital into the markets, never let a good crisis go to waste. That's when you really deploy your capital. That's where the real masters, the Soroses. Oh, yes, Soros. That's where the masters really make their money. Through the chaos. While everyone's shitting their pants. Oh, yeah, you're accumulating like a motherfucker. Suckers. Shitting your pants. Bye. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we kill it. Right? In the Forex market, I've told you. I made most of my money through the housing crash. Yeah. I've told you the story here. The day the housing crash happened, the day the Dow went down 777 points, I made $23,000 that day. That was the first time I ever made that kind of money in one day. Don't let it go to waste. Don't let the crisis go to waste. Trade it. Invest in it. Accumulate through it. And while everyone else is running around like chickens with their heads cut off, crying and whining, you're fucking pulling out the checkbook, accumulating. Bang! Building a warehouse. Bang! See what I'm saying? That's how the Mazdas do it. When there's blood on the streets, yeah, well, that's when Mazdas really rock. And that's what you are. If you've been watching my channel, you're a Mazda. Yes, you're a worker bee, but you're a killer bee. You're no longer a worker bee. You're a killer bee. And through these kind of times, you know what to fucking do. You know what to fucking do. You accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. Just like the Mazdas do. You want to be a Mazda? Well, you have to do what Mazdas do. Right? I mean, that's all it is to it. Why do I read COT charts? Because I find out what the Mazdas are doing and I follow them. Right? You have to imitate the behavior to get the result you want. You want to drive a car, you got to press the gas to go forward, right? I guess or backward, but you know what I'm saying, right? You have to imitate. If you want to be successful as a basketball player, well, you imitate LeBron, right? When you're a kid, you practice like him. Oh yeah, LeBron does this with his shoulders. He does that. He makes this move, that move. He does a fadeaway like you. You copy it. And then you become like him. A Mazda. You have to do what the Mazdas do to be successful in the markets. Or anything in life. Anything in life. I don't give a fuck what it is. You want to be a chef? Yeah, well, you got to know how to chop the shit like, I don't know, some chef. I don't know who. You know what I mean? You have to copy what the other guy does, the Mazda does. Jesus said, in the Bible, Jesus, he said, a student can only be as wise or as great as his Mazda, his master. He didn't say Mazda. He wasn't, But you know what I'm saying? That's what he said. Meaning that in order for you to be super smart or super great at what you do, well, the Mazda teaching you has to be super great and super good at what he does. Right? You want to be a Shaolin Mazda? Well, you got to go to the Shaolin Temple and get that pure shit. Right? You got to go to the Shaolin Temple and eat the rice and get up at 4 a.m. and run the stairs and, all right? But you're learning from a Mazda. So by the time he's finished with you, well, you're a Mazda. And that's what you have to do. Enough now with the childishness. You are in the markets, all of you. You have to do the things that market people do in order to be successful at this game that we play. Okay? You have to learn the techniques. You have to learn the strategies. And then you have to actually do them, deploy them yourselves. And in doing so, you'll realize, wow, I keep making money. Yeah, because you're doing the right thing. You're doing it the way it's supposed to be done. All those other fools out there who don't know, well, whose money do you think you're making? Theirs. You're taking theirs. Right? This isn't just money from a computer, right? Just being made out of thin air out of a computer. When you buy a Chainlink token, well, you've just bought it from someone. That idiot was so stupid to sell it to you. I know, it sounds mean. It's called a zero-sum game. That's the game we play. It's called zero-sum. I win, you lose. You understand? When I take money off people in the markets in Forex, well, it's someone's money. It's not just given to me by, I don't know, the government or something. No, I've just taken someone's money. Some sucker who bet the wrong way. And I don't want you to be suckers. That's what this channel is about. You are killer bees now. And you fucking heard me preach on this piece of shit for a long, long time. You know the rules. You buy the dips. You buy the fucking dips. I mean, that's such a basic trading thing, investing thing in the markets. Right? You buy the dips because it's on sale. Regular people, worker bees, yeah, they buy green candles. Yeah, they're morons. They're morons. Not morons. They just don't know. They haven't been told. All right. I'm sure they haven't been exposed to the information that you're being exposed to on this channel. You know what the fuck to do. And if you're new here, that is what the fuck to do. You buy these dips. Because this risk off, is going to end. I mean, they all end. Everyone settles down. All right. This isn't so bad. All right. Let's get back to making money, right? I mean, everyone wants to be making money. They don't want to have their... You have to remember this. If I'm a hedge fund master, I've got $10 billion hedge fund. Well, I don't want $10 billion just sitting in bonds, right? Bonds only return you, 0.05%. No, I want my money in the stock market. I want my money in the crypto, returning me massive gains. Well, crypto returns massive gains. I'd say the stock market returns, reasonable gains. Yeah, I'd put it that way. If I'm a master, a fund master, I want to be back, but I can't yet because shit's just scary. But once the dust settles, of course, what do you think? I'm coming right back in. Right back in. And so I want you to understand that there's going to be many times like this. Well, especially with this corona shit. Another strain might come out 4 or 5 months from now. Everyone will freak out. We'll go risk off. Do it all over again. But I want you to understand it's normal, so don't freak about it. Don't let it, all right, we're risk off. Look at it as a time of, nice, we're risk off. Well, I'm going to fucking buy some shit right now. Nice. Right? Look at it that way. Okay? Fuck, how long have I been talking? Anyway, but I just want you to get it, all right, people? This is a beautiful moment, beautiful time. The new strain came out. It fucking freaked out the whole markets. So good for you. You get to buy at cheaper prices. The sales are abundant. It's pretty much, no risk. These are the sweet times. I mean, these are the times real masters pray for. And that's what you should be thinking. Right? A guy like me, this is what I think. These are the days we hope for. Right? Who wants to just keep accumulating where we're at the top? I want it to fucking tank so I can accumulate and then get back up there and then rock again, right? And that's what you want to do, believe me, right? And so just, all right? All right. And remember this, you have not lost any money. You were just, like if you bought something last week and now it's out, well, all right, you're just down some money. Oh, Shomari, I just lost 10K. Look, asshole, you know how much I just lost between yesterday and today? Hundreds of thousands in crypto. Yeah, do I fucking look worried to you? Do I fucking look worried to you? Absolutely not. We are waiting for a tsunami of money to come. That's down the road. The Europeans are coming online. The Germans are coming online. America, we have a bunch of crypto bills coming into Congress. Yeah, by the end of Q1 next year, maybe Q2. You never know how the Americans do. They always have to argue about everything. But yeah, we're gonna have clarity. It's not a matter of yes or no anymore. This is happening. This crypto thing is happening. It's going to be professionalized. It's going to be regulated. Soccer mom and dad are going to be coming on in. Oh, yeah. Your bank is going to have it for you. QC. All right. This thing's about to jump off. So you use these times because you know what's coming. That's the other thing. Let's put it that way, right? You're like Noah. All right. You're like fucking Noah. Noah's Ark. The Bible. What made Noah special? What made Noah in the Bible special? What made Noah special was that he knew an event that was going to occur and he took action on said event. No one knew do you understand? He knew something was coming in the future. He knew it. Something's coming. There's something down the road. I don't know exactly when, but it's coming, and I'm going to prepare myself for that event. What did Noah know? He knew that a flood was coming. A fucking deluge, right? Of biblical proportions. That's why it's in the Bible. It's biblical proportions. He knew it was coming. So what did he do? He built an ark. Right? He built an ark. Because he knew a flood was coming. Now, remember where Noah lived. Noah lived in Mesopotamia, which is modern-day Iran, right? Yeah, well, Iran's a desert. So Noah's friends were asking him, what the fuck are you doing, dog? He said, I'm building an ark. A flood's coming. His friends were like, are you fucking crazy, buddy? We live in a desert. We barely have enough water to feed our goats. What flood are you talking about? He said, believe me, I have it from a good source, from the multiverse. There's a flood coming. All right, so he built the ark diligently. Diligently. Bang, bang, bang. Wood plank by wood plank. All right, him and his sons built the ark. Yeah, well, people thought he was crazy. Fuck, dog, you're nuts. Yeah, but what happened? Oh, and he heard a lot of yap yap.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's do the yap. He heard a lot of yap. No, seriously, though. His friends telling him, yo, Noah, man, chill out, dog. Ain't no flood coming, dog. We haven't had rain for 6 months. Fuck, it's a desert. He just kept doing what he did. And that's what you're hearing right now. I know right now on a day like today, when it's red in the streets, it's blood red. There's blood in the streets. Your friends are telling you, your asshole ones. I just looked at crypto. It's all down today. Right, they're laughing at you. Aren't you supposed to be my friend? Aren't you supposed to be like, oh my gosh, man, your crypto's down shit? Yeah, they laugh because they're a bunch of assholes. Because they really don't care about you. All right? They're laughing. They're having a good old time. Yeah. What, you dumb fuck? You dumb fuck. This is what you got to think in your head. Yeah, you dumb fuck. Yeah, my crypto's down. But I'm accumulating. Because why? And because you know what's happening. It's risk off and it'll end. Let's go else. What else do you hear? Johnny. That's you, fuckstick. Johnny. You know what that is? That's a wife. Johnny. Fuck, Johnny. Look at the crypto, man. Holy shit, Johnny. We just lost $100,000 yesterday. Johnny, let's just cash out. Let's just cash out. Quickly. Let's just get out of here. Oh, sweetie. Johnny, please. Johnny, I can't take this anymore. I keep refreshing CoinMarketCap every 10 minutes, and every 10 minutes, we're down another 2,000. Come on, Johnny, let's just cash this out quickly. Give me the password for Coinbase. Let me cash this out. Settle down, sweetie. That's what you got to tell her. Settle down. But, Johnny, we're losing. Sweetie, we're not losing anything. We're going down, but we haven't lost. But, Johnny, we had 100,000 yesterday. Right now it's at 50. Shit. Settle down, sweetie. Settle down. It's just a little risk off. You know, it happens. You know, shit goes down. Viruses, Chinese market. The Americans are fucking around with their debt limit. Don't worry about it. It'll all work out. Now go paint your toenails. Bang. Right. And that's what makes you good. That's what makes you strong. You know what's happening, and so nothing to fear. Risk offs happen every once in a while. I mean, it's just happening now because of this corona, right? I mean, so it's, people don't know, right? So they get freaked out, but then everyone settles down and back to normal, all right? So, all right, guys, so that's it. Fuck, that was a long preach. I don't know how long that was, but you haven't lost any money. You're just down a little bit. Yeah, well, buy these dips. Buy these dips, and you'll be A-okay in the end, all right? All right, let's get to how we do this thing now. Let's actually start the show Well, I guess we started, but let's do our thing. Look. All right. Let's do our thing. You know how we do, girl. We do our thing. All right. Look. We don't care about their thing. We do our thing. All right, guys. Seriously. All right. Price of Bitcoin, $559. When I left you yesterday, yeesh, we were at $57,105. So we have gone massively down.
Oh, yeah.
This is egregious. We've gone way the fuck down. What are we dealing with here? 8,000. Fucking 8,000. Holy, this reminds me of 2018. 8,546. Holy shit. Holy slaughter. That's a slaughter indeed. Yeah, well, you know, like I've told you, and like I tell you, don't let a good crisis go to waste. Motherfuckers, little pussies, they cry during the crisis. Well, during crises, that's when market masters really make the money, because that's when the big moves happen. Volatility is your friend. Price volatility is your friend. Right? Like in my market, what I trade currency derivatives. Yeah, well, if the fucking price ain't moving around, I don't make shit, do I? No, I need it to be volatile so we can trend down or trend up. That's what you need. Volatility is your friend. Well, the trend is your friend. Well, and volatility makes that trend happen, I guess. Maybe you can put it that way. That's what you need. That's what you love. That's where you, as a master, becoming a master. You're an apprentice master. You're not a master yet, but you're an apprentice. It's times like these when you're going to make all your money. While everyone else is running around fucked up and discombobulated, yeah, this is when the masters silently accumulate. Yeah. Yes, weaklings. Yes, you suckers. Give me your shit. Give me your shit. Yeah. Why would you sell revenue-generating product? Because you're a scared piece of shit. Is you're a dumbass. Yeah, well, a master just sits there and goes, I'll take it. I'll take that. Oh, you got Chainlink? Oh, I'll take it. Yeah, sure. And then when we go back risk on, well, all those who sold, well, don't they feel stupid? And those masters, you people who are listening to me right now, wow, that's why we high-five each other in the chat room, isn't it? All right, so let's just continue doing how we normally do it now. Enough preaching about stuff. If you're new, I hope you listen to every word I just said. Okay, you have to get your mind right. You're in the markets now. The markets are not the normal world where you live out here, like with people and stuff like this. It's different. Right? And things that seem strange are the norm. Buying the dips. I know. Why would I buy it? It's going down. Yeah, because it's cheaper. It's on sale. Right? You have to wipe away your old thoughts of money and markets and learn how it's actually done, how markets and things are actually done, how people actually make a living from this space. You have to learn the rules. You have to learn the techniques. You have to get the tools. And once you have that, oh, well, then you kick ass. And so, let's do that. All right, so look. All right, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. You know who they are. Usual band of suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Solana, Cardano, USD Coin, XRP, Polkadot, and Terra. Let's see the market moves. Well, Single digits up, single digits down. Actually, it's probably mostly double digits to single digits. Single digits to double digits down. That's right. There is no real up. These little stable coins maybe, but everything else thrashed. On sale. Everything else is on sale. Single digits to double digits down. Single to double digits down. Single to double digits down. Oh, you're getting Chainlink at a nice price right now, $20, if you can afford it. Single to double digits down. Single to double digits down. Fucking V-Chain. Single to, it's all right. Single to double digits down, long-term play. Smart money play. Single to double digits down. Single to double digits down, single to double digits down, single to double digits down, single to... All right, let's go see who lost money today. Everybody, obviously, but let's see who lost the most. And if you see anything on here you like, go get it because, buy! It's really on sale. Everything's on sale. But whatever pops up here in a second is super on sale. So let's check it out. Buy! There we go. Top 10 losers. Theta, Qtum, Zcash. 1-inch network, EOS, Internet Computer, NEM, Filecoin, Neo, and Chili's. All right, let's see who made money. I don't think anybody did. This is going to be all stablecoin bullshit. All right, top 10 gainers. Celsius, Unicid Leo, Tether, Binance USD, True USD, USD Coin, Pax Dollar, Terra USD, DAI, and Decentraland. All right. And they were actually mostly red anyway, so those are less losers, I guess. All right, let's look at, hold on. Let's look at the total market cap. Oh, that's a beat down. That's a fucking beat down. Look, it's a beat down. It ain't pretty. There's blood in the streets, boys. Hide the women and children. They don't need to see this. They don't need to see this. They don't need to see this. Look. All right. Total market cap. Holy flip. All right. $2.281 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we're at $2.642 trillion. So you've gone down. Holy slaughter. $0.361 trillion. All right. So a third of $1 trillion. Let's see what the total volume is. Oh, you motherfucker. 24-hour volume. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. All right. Well, that makes complete sense. 24-hour volume, $212 billion. When I left you yesterday, we were at 116. We've almost gone up in volume $100 billion. So that shows you, because remember, volume just means action. It doesn't mean buy or sell. It just means action. Everyone sold, as we can see from the slaughter. So look, we've gone up. Unfortunately, on the wrong side of up. $96 billion. All right. That's how it goes. So I gave you a lesson there right there. Just get this shit, get your stuff. Now is the time. Now's the time. So when the tsunami arrives, you want to be ready for it. Like Noah, you want to be ready for when the flood arrives. Because remember, just like Noah, well, eventually the fucking flood came, didn't it? And it washed all that bullshit away. Whoosh. All right, guys. Look, let's get to the stories. Bang! Former Citibanker launches a $1.5 billion crypto fund. Taps Algorand as first partner. So, Algorand holders, yes. Bang! All right, let me get a sip and we'll read it. All right. So don't worry, folks. Don't worry. Let's go. So, a Wall Street veteran with over 14 years of experience has launched a new venture fund dedicated to cryptocurrency and blockchain startups, offering further evidence that smart money investors, smart money, are pivoting to the emerging world of digital assets. Duh. On Monday, former city executive Matt Zhang introduced HiveMind Capital Partners, a $1.5 billion multi-strategy fund designed to bootstrap promising crypto plays and institutional crypto investing. The fund will prioritize projects focused on building crypto infrastructure, virtual worlds, and programmable money, and will also trade digital assets as part of its underlying strategy. HiveMind's first technology partner is Algorand. So there you go, Rand hodlers. Algo hodlers, whatever it's called, your coin. Algorand hodlers, bang! A proof-of-stake protocol that is increasingly focused on creating infrastructure for the global financial industry. Algorand is a top 20 blockchain product with its native algo token valued at $11 and valued at $1.2 billion in total market capital. All right, whatever. So blah 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 blah. All right, let's just read this. Zhang described blockchain technology as a paradigm shift and said his firm will provide crypto entrepreneurs with infrastructure support that is not currently available with traditional asset management models. However, the company is yet to announce any major funding. Venture capital has flooded the cryptocurrency industry this year, with major funds allocating billions of dollars towards promising startups. Successive funding rounds have given birth to at least a dozen crypto unicorns, a term used to describe startups with a valuation of $1 billion or more. Zhang's HiveMind is one of a small handful of multi-billion-dollar crypto funds. As Cointelegraph reported, Silicon Valley Venture Fund, and all right, fuck all that. All right, bang! So there you go. Algorand hodlers, bang! Something on your blockchain. All right, let's move on. IoTeX and Cartesi to facilitate a more secure IoT ecosystem. So here he goes. Something like this. IoTeX, that's some chicken. That's chicken. Right? That's chicken. Right? IoT. You know, when you're an investor, you always want to think of the future. Yeah, well, IoT, Internet of Things, is the future that the world is going towards. Internet of Things, artificial intelligence. Well, I guess now this metaverse thing, I'm about to read you this, or about that. These are the things of the future. That's what you want to invest in, right? Successful companies that are having success now, when it's not even a big thing yet, right? That means they're first adopters. Sorry. They're not adopters. They're players. They're the ones being used first for whatever it is, right? That's what you want to invest in, right? That is working product. That's the chicken. All right, let's move on. All right, so IoTeX, in my opinion, that's some chicken. The Internet of Things ecosystem is set to receive a boost as popular IoT blockchain IoTeX announced details of a strategic partnership with Cartesi. According to reports, the partnership between IoTeX and Cartesi will usher in a new dispensation for the entire global IoT space. Settle down. The IoT space has continued to grow steadily over the last couple of years. Yes, it has. Many schools of thought are also of the opinion that blockchain technology has a huge role to play in the future of the IoT space. Yes, it fucking does. And the Cartesi partnership with IoTeX further helps to buttress this idea. According to an official blog post, the partnership will bring to life several amazing updates for the IoT space. The partnership will also take place simultaneously with an Ideathon scheduled to take place during the Dutch Blockchain Week. The Dutch Blockchain Week will take place from December 6th to the 10th, 2021. Interested persons can join the... Oh, get the fuck... Hold on. It sounds like I'm reading a commercial here. What the hell's going on? IoTeX Cartesi to empower developers.
Oh, yeah. We're going to empower them.
Empower them. Yes, corporate speak. So the partnership is a major achievement for both IoTeX and Cartesi. Developers, because really what it is the developers will empower IoTeX and Cartesi. Without developers, you have nothing. Yeah, you got to watch corporate speak. They like to make things sound opposite. They like to trick you like that. Anyways, look. The partnership is a major achievement for both IoTeX and Cartesi. Developers on Cartesi will have access to the benefits embedded in both Cartesi and IoTeX, allowing them to speed up the development of their projects, while also having unrestricted access to top-notch IoT-based solutions. IoTeX currently offers its service. I really just am reading a fucking commercial here. What the fuck is going on? IoTeX currently offers its services to real-life devices and systems. One major example of this is the Consumer Electronics Show, CES blockchain-based cameras, alongside the Pebble Geo tool. Both devices are quite effective in ensuring the optimization of any supply chain. Thanks to the partnership, hold on, we got to go on. This is stupid. This is just a big commercial, man. Fuck that. Anyways, look, bang! IoTeX, guys, has a new fucking... I'm not reading a commercial. I'm not here to shill shit like that. But I'm going to read you about an onboarding. And so that's the onboarding. IoTeX and Cartesi, bang, are going to facilitate a secure ecosystem, IoT, Internet of Things, which is the future of the world. Bang! Good stuff for IoTeX folk. All right, let's move on. Bang! Facebook to allow crypto ads after Meta rebrand. So now let's talk. Yes. Now let's talk, my band of merry miscreants. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm going to tell you something. You know what people are talking about? This metaverse shit, right? Yeah. Crypto is going to be a big part of it. Yeah, big part of it. We'll see if CBDCs crowd out like exchange of transactions in the metaverse. But from what I'm hearing, a lot of people are saying the money of the metaverse will be crypto. Well, stable coins. So it's not like VeChain or something, but stable coins. But anyways, who gives a fuck about that? So that's metaverse crap. I'm still just wrapping my head around, well, not wrapping my head around it, but just still getting into metaverse crap. But, well, I'm not getting into it. That's for other people. But the thing I want to say about Facebook is this. Obviously, you know that almost 1/3 of every human on Earth has a Facebook account. So when they start allowing crypto ads, again, well, that's the universe of soccer mom and dad right there, right? They're going to get beautiful ads all the time, every day. All the time, every day, right? And so this is a great advertising thing. I know, obviously, they're going to try to funnel things to their own metaverse thing and all this. But, obviously, Coinbase will be advertising. FTX will be advertising. Well, here in America, so I'm talking about American. But anywhere in the world you are, you're going to get your local exchanges advertising. You're going to get... someone showed me a thing of the other day about Algorand was on some shirt of an athlete, some sort of athlete. I don't remember what that was. But yeah, it's going to expose, again, the marketing to soccer mom and dad. Like, Facebook is mega. So many people have it. So many people use it. This is great, 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 great stuff. Now, whatever you think about Mark Zuckerberg or whatnot, that's up to you to decide. But I look at it as an investor. I love that a big-ass platform like this is about to fucking allow advertisements for the shit I'm invested in. You know what I'm saying? Bang! I wouldn't mind seeing a V-Chain commercial up in that bitch. Look! V-Chain, looking at you. Like Slappy. Glares at V-Chain. Some glaring. Let's get some ads up in here. I'm glaring. I'm on the sloppy tip. Look! Glaring. Yeah. Throwing a little shade over there. Throwing a little shade. So look. Don't worry. It'll work out. It'll all work out. Long-term investments. Tsunami coming. Look, like Noah. Settle down. Don't let these little blips in the market ruin your day. Like I said, it should be a happy day. Accumulate. All right, so let's check out Facebook. Meta has finally ended its ban on cryptocurrency ads and introduced a statement that acknowledges that the company will now accept 27 regulatory licenses. With this announcement, Meta is reversing its previous policy that prohibited companies from running crypto ads on the social networking website Facebook. Meta, it was later revealed, it had earlier banned the ban on running crypto ads on Facebook was imposed to prevent the spread of false information among its users. It further added that people, I don't know what the fuck, what kind of fucking sentence was that? You guys know I'm not reading this wrong, right? Let's read this. Meta, it was later revealed, it had banned that the ban on running crypto ads on Facebook was imposed to prevent the spread of false information among its users. It further added that people. All right, so I'm just reading shit, okay? That's not how I talk. That people what, you motherfucker? Anyways, it was reported that Facebook wanted to prevent people from getting scammed by enticing offers of initial coin offerings. Oh, the ICOs back in 2018-19. And deceitful cryptocurrency exchange deals. So Facebook to run crypto ads. In a note titled, Expanding Eligibility to Run Ads About Cryptocurrency, the organization discussed how the cryptocurrency ecosystem has matured and stabilized over the years. We're doing this because the cryptocurrency, so here's Facebook talking now, or Meta talking now, rebranding. Fuck that, I'm going to still call it Facebook. We all know who he is, Mark Zuckerberg, dang on, don't fuck with us. We're doing this because the cryptocurrency landscape has continued to mature and stabilize. Exactly. When we first started, I used to tell you, it's an immature market. We're maturing now. These are real companies. They are viable. They're being used in the real world. They're generating revenue. There's a CEO. There's staff. Everything's normal for some of these things. Not most of them, but some of them. So we're doing this because the blah, blah, blah. So it's matured. Well, not only has the cryptocurrency space matured in terms of being used and stuff like that, but the market around it now has matured. It's a new asset class. And so they're building out the asset class, the new ETPs, the ETFs, we're going to start seeing, like I told you, we're going to start seeing 401k soon. And that's when we get into the real meat. So, hodl. Oh, juice is worth the squeeze. It will be. But it's a real asset class now. And so we're doing this because the cryptocurrency landscape has continued to mature and stabilize in recent years and has seen more government regulations that are setting clear rules for their industry, regulatory clarity. So these changes will help make our policy in this space more equitable and transparent and help more advertisers, including small businesses, grow their audiences and reach more potential customers, the note added. So Meta has greatly softened its stance on crypto ads and is all set to accept 27 regulatory licenses in a bid to expand its network. Advertisers will still, however, be required to submit their written applications seeking permission to run ads on cryptocurrency. That's good. Protect the consumer. Yeah, you don't want rug pullers advertising on Facebook. Hell no. I don't want soccer mom and dad getting fucked up and then running away from this space. We want soccer mom and dad in here, putting their money in, paycheck after paycheck. Look, look, look.
Oh, yeah.
That's the mass adoption. The recent change has already been met with positive feedback from the crypto community. Meanwhile, some say the new policy change is expected to spark the new interest of retail investors towards Meta. But, look, which may help the organization secure more stable revenue and earnings. So, they're saying it's going to bring them towards Meta. It's not just going to bring them towards Meta. It's going to bring them towards the distributed ledger technology services providers industry itself. We are invested in an industry like any others. The music industry, the sports industry, the car industry, the fucking weapons industry, or I should say defense industry, whatever. That's what this is. Okay, I want you to understand that, folks. You're in the real shit now. You're invested in what's called the distributed ledger technology services providers industry. Yep, just a new industry. But the beauty of it is that it's new, so you were investing first. But it eventually, 20, 30, 50 years from now, it's just going to be an industry like others, and there'll be newer ones that'll come out, later, obviously. Industries keep coming out, so look, invest wisely. So look, guys, meanwhile, some say, we already read that. So look, Henry Love, a former employee on Facebook's business team, said the company's new policy is a huge opportunity for the crypto industry that will allow more retail investors to invest their stake in and at the same time will help endorse crypto business without any additional intervention. Bang! So there we go, guys. This is the greatest. Because soccer mom and dad are seeing crypto ads now come out. You got Matt Damon in that one FTX ad. You got, what's that other ad? That fucking, what is it? Anyways, you got a couple ads out now. That's just a couple. They're coming. And you got sponsorships, right here in Miami. FTX owns the stadium rights, right? FTX Stadium. Giving out crypto to people, sports fans and stuff. And so you have a lot of celebrity endorsement. These are all add up. These all add up to great for us. You know, I mean, this is what we need. I'm going to tell you a little something. This is going to sound a little fucked up. But do you know how cocaine came to America? Yeah, cocaine. I know what you're saying. Yeah, they flew it in planes and they brought it here. No, but do you know how it became popular? Celebrities. Yeah, all of Hollywood started doing it. All of Miami, obviously. That's how we got all these nice condos, started doing it. Right? And then it trickled down to the regular folk, right? That's how cocaine came to America. It was adopted at the highest levels and then trickled down. And that's how this crypto is going to be. Well. Hold on. Sorry. That's not true. I'm saying that's how this stage of crypto is going to be. Because crypto started from the regular man first. So let's get that straight. The regular guy who's buying crypto. All of you who were here with me in 2018 and 19 when we were buying. Remember when Bitcoin was at 3,100? Bang, we bought Bitcoins. VeChain was at 0.003. Bang, we bought millions of them for like, what, $3,000? That was good, right? All those, when fucking Ethereum was at $200, bang, we bought the chicken then, right? But it starts. That's how it starts. And, so it's so okay. So sorry. I lost my train of thought there. And so it did start from the ground up. Us, you guys remember, we were all here together. Go back to the videos. But now, the new phase of crypto, now that we are professionalizing what I've told you would always happen, to get soccer mom and dad in here. Well, now we get the big names coming into this space. Oh, yeah. Taylor Swift, Snoop Dogg, Elon Musk,
Right?
JP Morgan. Well, selling shit. JP Morgan still talks shit about crypto, but they still sell it now, though. But right? That's it. The legitimization of the space, the professionalization of the space. Don't worry about little days like today. Buy. Because overall, the momentum is to the moon. All right? All right, let's get up to shout-outs. What we got here? Bang. Faizan, a new follower. Faizan. Katak. All right, brother. Love the with the bang. Not sure what that means. Deep Entertainment. So, brother. Love of the sea, brother. Bang. Technically bullish. Love of the sea, brother. Bang. We got here. Look, Banks. Love of the sea, brother. Bang. BDM connecting the dots. Love of the sea, brother. Bang. Universal Misanthrope holding down the insurgency in Central Europe. Love of the sea, brother. And the official CB News master of security. Love of the sea, brother. Bang. Crushable. Love of the sea, brother. Bang. Robbie Hardaway. He's been with us so long. Look. His picture's in black and white. Love of the sea, brother. Bang.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
We're going to tell you about the legends of Hardaway. Soon. Not today, though. Beautiful Brawleys. Oh, girl, you're back. And still no umbrella. You have the nerve? All right, well. Love your girl, see you, girl. But only this much. Right? Everyone else is getting this much love. Look at the difference. See, if I got an umbrella, bang! In fact, after all these years, it would probably be like, bang! Even a little.
Oh, yeah.
How much love do you want, girl? Look, love you, lady. See you, lady. She probably thinks she knows I'm crazy. Look, bang! Well, I'm not crazy, but look, here's the enforcer. Oh, fuck Andrew, man. He must have to be slapping motherfuckers left and right today. Holy fuck. You know the weak hands are just running around. Daggone. Holy fuck, Andrew. Andrew, if I wasn't here in South Beach, I'd come and help you. Daggone. But look, everyone's got their job to do, Andrew. Settle down. Settle down. Miscreants. Go do your work, Andrew. Go do your work. Bang! And ice that hand after today. Ice that hand after this weekend, brother. That's how it goes. Every man puts in his work. All right, Andrew bitch slaps folk.
No, yeah.
It's not easy on the hands. Lorna, all in downs, buying it all, having it all. Love you, girl, see you, girl. Bang! Yeah, drop a son of a bitch. Bang! 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 Got you wrong, Cass. You son of a bitch. Got you again, Roncast. Daggone, Roncast. Fun times again. Little risk off, daggone, right? You know what I like to do? I like to go to other people's YouTube sites on weekends like this and read what their commenters say. Right? Like my chat room, my comments, my people aren't stupid. They're laughing their asses off, right? But you go to like, Crypto Lark or Crypto Jack or Crypto Billy, whatever name. I don't know. There's always a Billy or a John, Crypto Billy John, Crypto Billy Mike, whatever. Whenever you go to their sites or their little things, you look at the comments, everyone's shitting their pants. Yeah, well, because their master didn't calm them down. Because their master doesn't know. I told you, like the Lord Jesus said, a student can only be as wise as his master. So if your master is a market master like me, well, you're pretty chill. you not only chilled, you're excited. This is an investment opportunity. But if your master is just a crypto nerd who doesn't know anything, yeesh, you're afraid right now. I like doing that. I like to go look at the other crypto people sometimes. Well, I don't listen to what they say because they're stupid, but I like to. They're not market people, so I don't give a fuck what they're talking about. But I like to read their comments of their viewers. Yeah, there's a difference between the comments of those viewers and the comments of my viewers. Why? Yeah, well, my viewers are killer bees. Your viewers, you haven't taught them anything because you're a dumb fuck. A student can only be as wise as his master. Bye. Love you, brother, see you, brother. No savior. Bye. Lucky for you, you have a master. KJ Gatsby, love you, brother, see you, brother. Keep rolling that chicken up the hill, brother. Eventually we'll get there. Love you, brother, see you, brother. Bye. What else we got? Oh, new subscriber, new follower. Matthias. Inkman. All right, love you, brother, see you, brother. Bye. What's Lauren talking about? CB News. Yes, Lorna. CB News. This is one of the most important moves we've made to date. Once the required regulatory approvals are secured, Crypto.com will own 2 DCMs. And a DCO paving the way for launch of derivatives. Okay. Also, Crypto.com is making some moves then. Well, all right. We'll keep them posted. We'll keep watching it. All right. Thank you, girl. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. And thank you. Bye. Edwin, the original.
Oh, yes.
And he's the original mascot of the place. Look, been here since day one. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Real estate master.
Oh, yeah, he's a real estate master.
He's a real estate master. Oh, they're sloppy. Sweet. All right, a new follower. Hold on. Let's do this in order. Let's do this in an orderly manner. Let's do this in orderly fashion. Settle out. Jacob. I ain't here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. All right, Jacob. Love with the bar. Looks like you have a nice sweetie right there, so that'll be a good time right there. Sloppy. Holding down the insurgency in the north, in the great white north, Toronto, Canada. Look. Love you, Sloppy. See you, Sloppy. Bye.
Oh, yeah, he's holding it down.
All right. I don't know. All right. Let's see. What is the airdropper talking about here? Blah, blah, blah. Oh, just my show. All right. Oh, both of them are. So bang and bang. All right. Oh, some new again. Or did we do these already? Let's see. Roger ready. Never see with the bang. And Salman Rashid. Never see with the bang. All right, we did those. So let's get back to the Death Star. So let's get bang back here. Welcome back, everybody. We had a great show for you today. Yes, of course we did. Of course we did. It's a great show of the multiverse. There's only levels of greatness. Right? There's never a bad show. It's just the levels of greatness. Right? Great. I'll tell you the levels right here. The show is either just great. Hold on. Let me think about this. Hold on. It's not a thing. I just have to remember the manual from the multiverse, how they told me. The show is either great, mega great, the show is either great, super great, or mega great. That's how this show works. Great, super great, mega great. So today was, well, it's not over yet, so I don't know yet. Let's see how it rolls. And I'll give you at the end of the show, I'll give you a reading on that. So look, all right, we had a great show for you today. Bye. So first story, Algorand hodlers. Look. $1.5 billion crypto fund launched on Algorand. Bye. So that brings more activity to the Algorand blockchain. We've been reading about Algorand lately a few times in this past month or two at least. And So it looks like they're making moves. It looks like they're getting some deals. That's what a company does. You got to sign those deals, make that bread, dog. And so it looks like they're doing that. And so that's some chicken. Bye, Algorand holders. All right, the next story. IoTeX and Cartesi do something for a more secure Internet of Things economy. And so great. That's the future. Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, autonomous cars, electric cars, the things of the future, right? That's what you kind of want to try to invest in. Those that are doing the things of the future now, so that when the future arrives, well, they're already positioned and your investments will rise. And so, yeah, guys, IoTeX, man, this thing is rocking and rolling. I mean, I guess there's not much to say about it. We'll just see how it goes, right? I mean, you just got to watch and see how this shit goes. So, IoTeX hodlers, bang! And then finally, Facebook to allow crypto ads on Meta. Wow. Like I said, whether you like Mark Zuckerberg, don't like him or whatever, that's none of my business. I'm here as an investor, and as an investor, I've got the world's biggest platform about to allow crypto ads again. That makes me happy. That makes me happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, joy, Ren and Stimpy style. Happy, happy, joy, fucking joy. You got to get those ads in front of the eyeballs. Oh, well, Facebook's got a lot of eyeballs. Soccer mom and dad, disposable income, ready to invest.
Oh, yeah.
So that's how I look at that. Whether you like the kid or not. Personally, I just don't give a fuck about that kid. But I'm glad his platform is allowing these ads to come. And, yeah, that's the shit. When soccer mom and dad see a Bitcoin ad, like, nice, right? It adds legitimacy. I know a lot of people don't like Facebook. They're mining your data and all this and selling it to everybody in the world and all that. All right, if you're some fucking person like that, well, whatever. You're not ever going to like it. But if you're just a normal person who doesn't give a fuck or, a normal soccer mom and dad, they don't think about those things. Someone's selling my data. Like Mrs. Smith down the road here with Johnny and Susie. She's just wondering how to get to soccer practice and let's get the fuck back. So get the fuck back home in one piece. So, that's what I love. That's what I love. Facebook is going to allow the ads, and there's going to be ads. FTX, Coinbase, all of them are going to be blasting ads at who? Soccer mom and dad. That's the beauty of Facebook advertising, is that you can actually direct your ads at certain people, right? So you're not paying to just, you're not blasting ads at someone who can't afford to buy what you want or who doesn't like what you want. You get to blast ads at people who can afford to buy what you're selling. Sorry, not what you want, right? What you're selling. Sorry. You can afford to blast, but it's defined. So Facebook, so a company like FTX will say probably, well, adults between the age of 25 and 45 buy crypto. I want all my ads targeted at them. So this is going to be a nice targeted blitz, crypto blitz. And I love it. I love it. Facebook, thank you. And I know he's only doing it. I know Mark Zuckerberg's only doing it because they're going to do this metaverse thing. That's fine. That's fine. You're helping me out, dog. I get mine, you get yours. All right, great. I don't care. You know what I mean? Lovely, lovely, beautiful thing. That's how the world should be, Mutual prosperity, I guess, or something like that you call it. And so that's great. And so finally, Facebook, bang, and then finally, just one last word. Do not worry. Again, I know I talked about it at the beginning of the show. Do not worry about the price of stuff. If you want to be a master, and you are a master now, you're here with me. We don't fuck around with bullshit. I tell you the real deal. You saw the whole world markets went down. How masters really make their money is like I've told you, and it sounds mean, but we never let a good crisis go to waste. You never let a good crisis go to waste. And you shouldn't either right now. What you should be doing is accumulating revenue-generating product and building a cryptocurrency warehouse. Big, bang, strong, with revenue-generating product. Bang! And because one day we are going to get what's called regulatory clarity. The governments of the world are going to write laws. They're going to pass the laws. And this crypto market is going to be no different than the stock market. The beauty is that you're in early. You're in way before what I like to call a reverse IPO. You're here way before the big money is here. In the usual world, Facebook IPOs to us. Right? Facebook IPOs to us. So the insiders have everything at 0.0000006 cents. Yeah, and they sell that shit to us at $32. Well, we're the ones this time. We are the ones this time who bought everything at a real cheap price. And now they're the ones coming to buy. So it's a reverse IPO where the regular man, you, where the worker bee, gets his chance to IPO something to the rich guy. Because we got in first. And so you need to take every opportunity, every fucking opportunity to exploit this opportunity. I know the word exploit, it's a dirty word, but you need to exploit this opportunity because it ain't going to happen again. You know what I mean? We got lucky with the dot-com bubble in my lifetime, and now I got a crypto bubble coming. I don't think there's going to be another one after this. You know, maybe quantum computer stuff. But we'll see. That's down the road, man. That's down the road. Let's deal with what we have. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. So let's deal with what we have in the hand, which is cryptocurrency. And invest. Don't just juggle money around your portfolio. Put new money into your portfolio. Right? If I like this coin, don't go selling a coin. Like, I'll give you an example. You want to buy some, I'm not going to give a real coin name, but XYZ coin. So you sell Chainlink to go buy it. Why would you do that? That Chainlink is going to make you rich. No, you need to take the money from the paycheck, from your fucking slave check, and fucking buy new crypto XYZ coin. So now you have Chainlink and XYZ coin. That's called building a portfolio. Building it, growing it, fat, strong. Buy! So that when these savages arrive, when the big money arrives, well, you have the chicken to serve up. You've got the revenue generating product they want, and you liquidate and make yourself fabulously wealthy. All right, so you're going to be wealthy. Settle down, accumulate, and I'll see you all tomorrow. So look, on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Bye. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. Greatest show on earth, in case you haven't noticed. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. I love talking money. Bang! Love talking crypto. Bang! This is the favorite time of my day. So look, thank you. Thank you so much for this intimate moment of us together. Having me in your home. And I'll see you all tomorrow for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. Until then, subscribe here. Bang! Watch that video there. Bang! Get your fucking mind right. And I'll see you all tomorrow with a right mind. Bang! My name is Shomari Clarke. I always watch the money. Mostly importantly, just like money never sleeps, neither does Shomari. Bang! Love you guys. Over and fucking out.